Hey guys, welcome back to Stacy on this channel. Thanks for being here. I do appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new to my platform, please to go ahead, thumbs up this video, watch out this video, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned to the channel. I'll be back with more videos to keep you occupied. Yes, I do a lot of contents over here and you won't be disappointed. Welcome back to my old and my new subscribers and my silent watchers. A warm welcome to you. Thanks for being here. Yes guys, I don't know if you remember the story about Delano Tucker and his family. Yes, so this is their new home. I'm so excited for them. It's like I know these people. I don't know them, but I'm excited for them. It's like I know these people, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I'm so happy for them that they have a nice home right here in this video, a comfortable home, and they're out of the deplorable condition. Yes guys, so this is a tour. This is a tour of the new home. It was an open house tour for them. Yes, I'm so excited for them. So guys, if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please to go ahead and subscribe. You won't be disappointed. Yeah guys, so just watch the video guys, give it a thumbs up, share out the video, tell a friend to tell another friend about Stacy and this channel. Yes guys, did you like the video yet guys? Give the video a thumbs up guys, please and thank you. Don't watch the video and don't thumbs up the video guys. Give the video a thumbs up.